Okay folks, end of the day wrap up. Very pleased with the progress today. As you saw in the earlier video, we've got the front wiring all nipped up, looking tidy and everything else, but I thought I'd give you a demonstration of what the finished product actually looks like. So the secondary battery box is now secured, so that's the correct lid, that's the correct routing for the wiring. We've got the special BMW battery adapter for the positive and a regular for the negative. There's plenty of space in here to do other stuff, and this is covered by the police specific pocket. We've got the back now tidy, starting to fit off the radio box, so just preparing the hinges, getting rid of those horrible rivets, so they can be riveted in like that. So that will happen this week, and we'll have the radio box lid fitted with these original covers and those screws, so they're all ready to go. Got the cover in for the center of the petrol tank, so that's all correct. It's painted and looking very, very crisp. But more importantly, we've got all of the electronics working now. That's the fuel pump on, so nice and strong there. So as you know from the previous video, and again apologies for the horrible croakiness, I'll try and stay in very still so you can see that. Hopefully you can catch that. But all of them are working, even if it doesn't show it on the camera. Anyway, that's all done. We have the light system working properly on the handlebar as well, so we're all set there. Also interesting to note, we'll just do a quickie one on this. And that's definitely working, and also extremely loud. The other really good thing is, with all that dodgy wiring out the way down there for the horns, we now have horns as well. So really pleased about that. There'll be plenty more to come in the final wrap-up video. So we've got that being refurbished to connect or reconnect the speedo needle with glue. That's being done by Lionel Auto Instruments. It's the only guys we trust for all of our instrument work. The electrical system is basically done. We can start buttoning up now. So final install of the bodywork once the gauge comes back from being repaired, and that should be about a week. And in the meantime, we'll start cable tying all of these so they're run properly on the bike, and do a rough in with the dash, check all of the instruments and make sure everything is working. But it's looking really good at this point. Very happy with the progress. It's taken a while to get here, but we're in the home stretch now, and really it's one more fix on that rear, the marker light. When you turn the headlight on, that should come on. It could just be that the headlight's not connected, I can't remember. And then the right indicator up front. And as soon as we've done that, electrically she's completely sorted, mechanically, service-wise, everything else she's good to go. And it's literally buttoning up, load her off, and off she goes to Raymond Terrace. So there you go, really good news. Excellent progress this weekend, and we've even cleaned up. Yes, this is the cleaner version. We've even cleaned up a little bit, so there we go. Next project, Z1000 tyre, disc, etc., etc., but that's for another video. Until then, and hopefully I'm less croaky, be well, be happy, and I'll catch you in the next vid. See ya.